Thank you. Okay. On behalf of the WHO Secretariat and the ADG, Carissa Etienne, who can't be with us today, let me welcome you all to this global dialogue on health worker migration. I guess the main question really is, what is the significance and importance of this global dialogue, and what does it ultimately aim to achieve? Let me just put this question into context by reviewing the events of the last 5 to 6 years. In 2004, the World Health Assembly, cognizant that the issue of the HRH crisis was actually getting worse, but was under-recognized, they passed a resolution calling on the Director General of WHO to explore additional measures that might assist in developing fair practices in the international recruitment of health personnel, including the feasibility, cost, and appropriateness of an international instrument. Now, with the launch of the Global Health Workforce Alliance in 2006 and the creation of the Health Worker Migration Policy Initiative a year later, this global dialogue is another step in finding solutions to the problems of the HRH crisis, with particular emphasis, in this case, on the migration of health workers. But I think the significance of this global dialogue is that it is so important and innovative. This global dialogue allows for the participation of many stakeholders, many of whom would not be participating in World Health Assembly deliberations. These many stakeholders from various perspectives who can share their views, opinions, experiences on how to best address the challenges raised by health worker migration, particularly the feasibility and utility of a global code of practice of international recruitment of health personnel. So what does this dialogue aim to achieve? Mainly, these discussions should inform future debates in the World Health Assembly and regional committees by creating a framework for such a global code, and perhaps lead to the eventual promulgation by the member states of such a global code on international recruitment of health personnel. So with that, I would like to welcome you all to this global dialogue.